Hi all, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show how to get McAfee Antivirus free for a lifetime. Step 1. Go to the link. Link is in description. And if it shows this way, copy this link and open incognito window. Now paste it here. Step 2. Open temp mail. Now copy this mail. Now go back to the McAfee site and paste the mail in the mailbox. And click on confirm mail. Then it will ask for a password. Enter the password. Now click on agree and continue. Now click on place my order. Now click on get my trial. Enter the password and click on login. Now select download. Now select agree and download. Now download will start automatically. As I have already installed, I'm cancelling the download as it is free for 6 months. Repeat the same procedure after 6 months. Thank you for watching.